Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of lace knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, girls top, baby sweater and shawl and stalls. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 10 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 6 plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 6 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 14 stitches on my needle, 12 stitches, multiple of 6 2 times. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 plus 2 edge stitches 14. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. First row right side, knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is complete. Now second row, wrong side, purl these all stitches till the end of row. Second row and every wrong side rows we make same. Purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Yarn over, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit together from front loop. That's a repeat from here to here. Yarn over, knit 4, knit together. This is 6 stitches pattern, 2, 4, 6. Again we repeat this pattern how much you have. So one more time. Yarn over, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit together from front loop. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Last edge, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete now. Fourth row wrong side, purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Now this is fifth row right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit together. Yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2, knit together, yarn over. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit together, yarn over, knit 2, knit together, yarn over. Again we repeat this pattern how much you have. So one more time. Knit together, yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2, knit together, yarn over. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Last edge, knit edge from right side. Fifth row is complete now. Sixth row wrong side, purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. 7 row right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 1, 2 times knit together, yarn over, knit together, yarn over, 1, knit together, yarn over 2, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 1, 2 times knit together, yarn over 1, 2, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern how much you have. So one more time, knit 1, 2 times knit together, yarn over, knit together, yarn over 1, knit together, yarn over 2, knit 1. Knit edge from right side. 7 row is complete now. 8 row wrong side. Again pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. 9th row right side. Slip edge from here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2, knit together, yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 2, knit together, yarn over, knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern how much you have. So one more time, knit 2, 1, 2, knit together, yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2. Knit edge from right side. 9th row is completed now. 10th row wrong side. Again pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. 10th row is completed and our pattern is also completed. So again we start this pattern from first row. First row, knit these all stitches. In this way we repeat this 1 to 10 rows, and after repetition of 10 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of hand. If you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye fan.